everyone, I'm Natasha Mohan, and before we begin today's workout, I want to ask you one honest question. Which area do you struggle with more, your belly or your thighs? Type belly or thighs in the comments. I read every comment because it helps me understand exactly what you're struggling with. And I'm sure many of you out there have either excessive belly fat or thigh fat. You know, after helping thousands of women over the years, I've realized something very important. Almost every woman tells me the same thing literally. Natasha, I really want to exercise, I just can't stay consistent. And honestly, I completely understand. There have been mornings when I felt too tired to exercise, and there have been days when work, responsibilities, and life made it much easier to skip my workout. That's why I know consistency isn't about being perfect. It's actually about showing up, even on the days you don't feel like it. Life gets busy. Some mornings you have work, and some mornings you're looking after your family. Some mornings you simply don't feel motivated. That's exactly why I believe exercise should fit into your life and not take over your life. And that's exactly why I created today's workout. It's only 5 minutes, and just 5 minutes every morning is what you actually need. No equipment, no complicated moves, and just simple, enjoyable movements that almost anyone can do at home. My goal today isn't just for you to do every morning perfectly your exercise, but my goal is for you to finish these within 5 minutes, feeling proud that you showed up for yourself. So today, I want you to make one promise, not to me, but to yourself. Stay with me until the very end. Move at your own pace. If you need to slow down, that's absolutely all right. Just don't give up. And when you complete today's 5-minute workout, come back and type done in the comments. I genuinely love reading all your comments, and I celebrate every single person who finishes these workouts, because every healthy habit begins with one small step. Alright? Do let me know in the comments. Stand nice and tall and take a deep breath. Let's begin this simple 5 minutes workout. Put a smile on your face. That is the first thing you need. Now let's enjoy these next 5 minutes together. Let's get started. Let's begin. Follow my pace, keep breathing, and enjoy the movement. Excellent start. Now let's keep the momentum going. Don't stop. Now for the next step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're halfway there. So good. Remember always that consistency is better than perfection, and that's what you're trying to get. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. The last one now. Well done. Now for the next move, all you have to do is squat and sideways like this. Then again and again. Now move 1, move 2, side squat and one more. Don't stop. Keep going. Let's do it together. Fantastic! You're doing great. Just one more push and you're stronger than you can imagine you are. And now for the last move, you have to do the ice skater move, which is so easy. This is the last exercise. Give me your strongest right at the end. Let's finish strong together. Good job. I'm so proud of you. So quickly type comments done. If you have already finished this 5 minutes easy workout with me, I'm here to see exactly how many of you will reply, and I have also started doing the cool down. So for the cool down, you go down like this and up. Let's do it together. You can either do it again or you can come back again tomorrow and we can do it together. If you have enjoyed this session, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.